Good evening. This is Amit. We are going to start the topic that is partnership. Okay, we have to clear the concept of the profit ratio before going to start your problem here. Okay, because in this topic, from this topic, the question that are asking or the questions basis for the profit ratio or the part of the partners. Okay, the profit part of the partners. So firstly, if you were to find the ratio of their profit, after that you are able to find their profit or distribute the profit given in the question. Okay, so in this topic, how do we find the profit ratio of the partners? Okay, so firstly, I would like to inform you that the capital, what is capital? The investment which the those partner are invest the money at the starting of the business, that is called capital. Okay, so you can say the capital ratio will treat as their profit ratio. Okay, and another factor is also there, a time, for which time their capital are used for. Okay, that also is an important part. So on a given when we are given their capital and time also, so we will make their profit ratio or multiply the capital into time. Okay, so here like you can understood with the example like A and B are partner and A invests 20,000 rupees and B 30,000 rupees. We will say this is their capital. Okay, the A's capital is 20,000 and B's capital is 30,000. When we make the ratio will become 2 is to 3. So we can say their profit ratio will be 2 is to 3. Okay, in next case, if the capital and time both are given here, so we make the ratio like this. We will multiply the capital into time of both partners, and then after that we will find the ratio of their profit. Okay, so as you can see here, the 20,000, the investment, uh, uh, the investment invested, I mean, A invest the 20,000 and B 30,000 rupees. A for 8 month and B for 6 month. Okay, then we will make the ratio of capital into time. It will get how much? It is 8 is to 9. Okay, so in this case the profit ratio of A and B will be 8 is to 9. Even here you can see the same capital is invested by the capital in both cases, but when time is also the other factor which affect their profit ratio. Okay, so again, so now we are going to start the problem like this. Listen, see here. A and B commence a business with a capital of 4 lakh, 5 lakh 40,000 and 3 lakh 24,000 respectively. Find their profit ratio at the end of the year. So here you can see A invested their money like 5 lakh 40,000 and B's capital here is 324 and 000. Okay, so we can say this is their capital. Okay, A and B's capital is like this. Okay, then we make the ratio of their capital. This will give the ratio of their profit also, because the capital ratio is understood like their profit ratio. So here you can find the ratio by cancel out the same number from both the capital data. Okay, so here you can find the ratio of their capital is 5 is to 3. So the same ratio will be treated as their profit ratio. So you can say our answer will be 5 is to 3. Okay. Okay, next question. The question is A invest 12,000 for 10 months and B invest for 9,000 for 12 months. What will be the ratio of their profit? So A's capital is 12,000 and B's 9,000. A work for 10 months and B for 12 months. Okay. So in this case, we will make the ratio of their profit by multiplying the capital and time, both data. What the ratio will be find, that ratio will treat as like their profit ratio. So in this case, K cancel out by K, and again 12 with 12. So finally you got the ratio 10 is to 9. So we finally can say the profit ratio of A and B will be 10 is to 9. So your answer will be 4 is to, sorry, 10 is to 9. Answer D. Here answer will be D. Okay. Here is a mistake, I think. This is printing mistake. Okay, next. So clear. Their profit ratio will be 10 is to 9. Again, one more question. We will like. Okay. Next question is here. A and B. A and B start a business with a capital of. I already told you what is capital. The capital is the money that is invested by the partners to start a business, okay, or commence a business. So here A and B start a business with a capital of 40,000, 50,000. After 6 months, C joined with 60,000. And what is the ratio of the profit of A, B, and C after 1 year? Okay, so here is mentioned the profit. I mean, the business go for 1 year. Okay, it means all partner are engaged for 1 year, but think about the C. C is the partner who joined the business after 6 months. Okay, who joined after 6 months. So here 6. So we can say A and B are engaged for 12 months and C engaged for 6 months. Here when we make the ratio of their profit, it means the ratio of their capital into time ratio. Okay. When we cancel out this data, you will find the ratio like 4, 5, and 3. So you can say in this question, because C joined the business after 6 months, so the time for which C engaged is 6 months, and A and B for 12 months. That's why we multiply here 6, 12, and 12. Okay. Finally, when you cancel out the common data, you will get the ratio like 4, 5, and 3 here. So the final answer is option C, 4 is to 5 is to 3. Okay. Again, one more question we would like to solve, and this will our last question for the session. Okay. In this question is given A started a business with 25,000 rupees. After 4 months, B joined with 20,000. At the end of the year, profit is for 46,000. What B's share is? What will you be share? So what is B's share? Whatever. As you can see here, A invest 25,000 for 12 months because it is obvious here. You are mentioned the business go for 1 year. Okay, so we can say A engage here for 12 months. Okay, and B because B comes after 4 months, so here B engage for 8 months only. Okay, in this case we will make the ratio with the capital into time ratio. Okay, so when you cancel out the numbers here, you will find the ratio like 15 is to 8. Okay, you can see, or you can say their profit ratio will be 15 is to 8. And now you are given profit of 46,000. You are to distribute the profit and find out the B share, because in the question he asking for B share. Okay, so you can say here 15 and 18, a total 23 units, which can we say the total which did the total of 46k rupees, because this is their total profit. Okay, so we can say that value of 23 unit is 26k, and then then value of 1 unit will be 2k. Okay, that's why the part or the profit of B will be 8 into 2k, that is 16k. Okay, so answer will be 16,000. Okay, I think you got the concept of the type of question is asking here. Okay, so okay, thank you for the session. Okay, we will meet in next session. See you in